Are you preparing for NEET, JEE or school exams? Have you ever noticed how different you are from your batchmates or friends? Someone has a very strong memory and someone is so quick at grasping concepts. Then why should everyone prepare the same way?
Alan has been delivering results for the past 35 years. Building on this foundation, Alan brings you the Alan app, a new era of learning where everything for your preparation is specially designed for you using AI-powered technology. Let's take an example of Alisha from Mysore and Piyush from Vizag. As they study on the Alan app, we continuously analyze their performance. What topics are they weak at? Why and where they are going wrong? Based on these insights, personalized practice quizzes, study plans, and test strategies are generated for both of them. For instance, in Piyush's chemistry quiz, 50% of the questions are from organic chemistry because that's where he needs to focus. Alisha, on the other hand, needs to work on her speed. Not only that, the Alan app's study planner creates a weekly plan for every student, allowing them to focus solely on their studies. For Alisha, the plan focuses on practicing biomolecules this week, while Piyush needs to concentrate on atomic theory lectures and notes. Alan not only prepares you for the exam, but also supports you in every aspect of your journey. If you have doubts, you can instantly clarify them on the app or directly with the faculty. Feeling worried, nervous or confused? Connect with a mentor. Parents too get the right support through regular updates and PTMs so they can support you in the right way. We are offering free crash courses for 10th boards, JEE and NEET so that you can experience the new Alan app. Download the Alan app now.